Well, hi guys. It is, what is it today? April 24th, I believe. Anyways, this is a little update on the comparison between the sweet potato slips being grown in the soil. And as you can see, they're doing really well. They're doing really, really good. Not bad. Look at this guy. He's up over the lights. I'm gonna have to get him off there and start rooting him out in some water. And the comparison is see the soil versus the water, and these are doing well now too. They're not growing half as fast as the ones in the soil, but we've got a lot of slips coming on, and every sweet potato is producing slips. The roots are awesome. Plenty of roots, plenty of slips. But the soil, the ones in the soil are outperforming the ones in the water by far. By far. And I'll be doing this every year. Every year. And some of these haven't taken off yet, but they're starting. There's a little guy right there. Little node right there. This is the sweet potato here from the from Aldi's, and look what we got there. He's starting to produce a slip. So all sweet potatoes are starting to produce in the soil. But the soil is just producing a lot better than the water ones. So there you have it. Little update. They've been in the water and in the soil. They went in at the same time, and it's been, I want to say it's been about 5 weeks, 5 weeks or so. Yeah. So there you have it. Little update for you. All right, everybody. Bye.